make a big smile shape. And then on top of that, we're going to do a dome, kind of a half circle. We're going to do the nose, start with a curve, and then in the bottom part, you're going to go down, up, and down, and then connect. 2 little circles. Circles for the eyes. Smile. Now I'm going to do the ears. So start here, you curve out, and then out and back. Do the same thing on the other side. Then you're going to repeat that shape on the inside. Alright, start at this point here, and then you're going to go all the way down and around and curve all the way back up to do the body. For the arm, you're going to go down, up, and down, up. Curve down and up, down, and up. The legs, you're going to go down, up, down, and then back up. Same on the other side. Straight line across. Do it for both legs and for both the arms. And then a little squiggly tail.